Hey there, woodworking enthusiasts. Today, I've got an amazing tool to introduce to you, the Triangle Ruler 4590-degree metric scale precision angle ruler. This incredible tool is a must-have for anyone who loves woodworking, carpentry, engineering, or simply building and creating at home. Let me tell you why this triangle ruler is so incredible. First off, it's made of durable aluminum alloy, so you know it's not going to distort or rust on you. The laser-engraved imperial and metric scales make it easy to read and precise for making marks on your projects. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily take it with you wherever you go. But that's not all. This triangle ruler is multifunctional. You can use it to clamp boxes, photo frames, and so much more. It's truly a versatile tool that will make your woodworking project so much easier and more precise. Whether you're a professional carpenter or just love projects at home, this triangle ruler is the perfect tool for you. It's a game changer for anyone who loves working with wood and needs precise angles and measurements. So, if you want to take your woodworking to the next level, I highly recommend getting your hands on the Triangle Ruler 4590-degree metric scale precision angle ruler. Trust me, you won't regret it. Check the link in the description to get yours today. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing woodworking tools and tips. Happy woodworking, everyone.